back to 4Kids Daily Adventure, and today we're going to make a mini parachute for action figure. You'll need a pair of scissors, some string, a hole puncher, tissue paper or a coffee filter, your action figure who is your awesome stunt person. Now we are going to do a coffee filtered parachute. So you get your coffee filter and your hole puncher. You punch 4 holes. Make sure when you're punching the holes, put them across from each other. So, you punch another one. Good. Punch another one. Good. Now put your hole punch aside. You won't need it anymore. Now get your scissors and your string. So, we are going to fold the string into 4ths. Now, cut it. Put your scissors aside. Now, one. And tie it carefully around. Put it through the hole. And tie it carefully. After you're done tying the string, repeat the process on the next hole. Now we're going to line up all the strings. Let's get this one. Good. There. String, put our action figure on. Just put it on like a backpack. So let's do that. There. I hope you enjoyed this video on making your miniature coffee filter parachute. And if you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!